Hey, what's up? It's John with Superfly, and thanks for purchasing Coastal from the ET Marketplace. If you did purchase Coastal from the ET Marketplace, the installation is a bit different than from buying it from our store. It actually, the download you get is actually a plugin. So I've downloaded from the ET Marketplace store. I'll show you how to install Coastal. Okay, so here's my empty WordPress site. I got nothing going on in here, no pages, no posts, nothing. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the plugins area, and I'm just going to add new, upload, and I'm going to go to my desktop, and yours might be called something different. Might have some numbers in there, but I'm going to install this plugin. So yeah, be sure you're in the plugins area. Usually for a child theme, you go to Appearance Themes, but this is a plugin, like I said. Activate the plugin. Great, and that should add this Coastal menu item here to your menu. We'll go ahead and click on that. And it's going to ask you, do you want to include all the demo stuff? And I would recommend, especially if it's a new site, doing this. So I'm just going to say begin site import. And this is going to import all the pages, the posts. It's going to override the Divi theme customizer settings. Basically make your site look like the demo site. All right, so you can see what it's doing as it's going through. Boom. And it says you should now, it's been imported. You should now remove this plugin from your site. No longer necessary. Great. So I'm going to go back to my plugins area, and I'm going to go ahead and deactivate and remove this Coastal plugin. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my settings, permalinks, and I'm just going to resave them. I'm just going to hit save changes. This fixes some issues that may or may not happen. All right, now let's go check out our site. But you can see here pages. It imported all the pages, stuff like that. If I go to the site, you'll see here it is. Here's the demo site. The other thing that happens when you buy a theme from the Elegant Marketplace, they do not allow the demo images to come with the theme. But no worries. On our tutorial page on our website, so if you go to coastal.madebysuperfly.com and you go to the tutorials page, down here we have the download layouts for the theme builder layouts, which I cover in another video. But this is where you download those. Actually, I'll download those right now. And then there's also the demo images. I'll download those as well. But now I have the layouts downloaded. I'm going to go back to our install here, and I'm going to go to Divi Theme Builder. And I'm going to hit, I need to go to my desktop real quick. And I'm going to see the layouts there's the layouts and there's the demo images. I'm going to go ahead and open up this layouts one, and then I'm going to open up this images one here. Great, I don't need these anymore. In the demo images, you'll see that it's just all the images, all the free stock photos I used in the demo site. You have them now. You can use those how you want. Cool. Coastal layouts is just this a JSON file there. All right, so let me go ahead and go back here, and I'm going to import. Actually, I think I might have done it. Let me just save this. That might not be a step we have to take here. Let me take a look. Actually, no, it did it for us. Okay, never mind. So yeah, so if you reach the spot, then you're ready to move on to the getting started video here. All right, thanks for watching.